Hey, today we're going to take a look at this nifty little unit. This is a Ryobi 1+ HP 18 volt brushless job site hand vac. This is a great addition to any shop. It's lightweight, portable, comes with 5-foot extension hose, comes with your floor nozzle, and comes with an extension wand and a crevice tool. Put this together. This just slides on, take it on the small end, slide that up, not too far, and it'll give you a place to store your crevice tool. Keep that in place, so that's a nice little feature. The only thing that you got to remember with this unit is there's a little bit of a delay when you press the button. To start it, you have high power, low power, and off. So you got to squeeze the trigger 3 times to turn it off. So to turn it on, there's high. There's your low, there's your off. Only thing I don't like about it is you have to actually press it at the middle. You'll have to get used to where it actually turns on. Now when it's time to clean, here is your cap for your HEPA filter. You get your unlock and lock. So when you turn it, you can tilt it up to unlock, pull it out. Now the main thing to remember is when you're putting this back together is it won't go on unless you have that lined up with your mark here and the unlock mode. So you get that on there, twist it clockwise and back on. It has a pre-filter in here. Okay, so you can take this off, spin that and unlock it. And there's your pre-filter and you can wash that. There's your HEPA filter, same thing, take that, pop that out, put it back in. Get the 2 little standouts there, put that in, you have to line those up until it locks in, and you turn it to lock it, get that locked in, put your pre-filter back on, lock that back on, take your cap back on, lock that down. Main thing to remember is if you're actually going to clean this out, you got to clean it periodically, dump it over a dustbin. You want to clean the filters, you pull the filters out, and you can brush those off, and you can actually wash those filters and redo that. The HEPA filter is replaceable. 5-foot hose, so your stationary use, put that on. You have to move that around until it locks in. You're ready to go. So we can leave this stationary, actually clean up around the area. Put on your crevice tool. Take our extension wand, plug that in. Take our floor nozzle, put that on. Now let's do a little floor cleaning. It's a handy little unit. You need to have a place to store all your accessories. That's the only downfall, because there's no place to actually store them on the actual unit. But it's fantastic, and I love how you can clean this out and use it. It's got the 3-in-1 capacity, so you've got the hose, and you can actually use it as a straight nozzle cleanup. If you're working with the battery in, it's more stable. Take the battery out though, it's only got little tiny feet on the bottom here to hold it up, but with the battery you get more stability with that. I love this unit for the versatility and the lightweight use. It's great for shop cleanup, for the daily use around the table saw and the miter saw or anything else that you have. It makes it a lot easier with the crevice tool and everything. So I highly recommend this. Great little handheld job site hand vacuum. And always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.